Welcome student. I am Mr. Abhijit Bambre, working as assistant professor at Gokhale Education Society's Arts, Commerce and Science College, Jawhar. Last lecture we discussed definition of the drug, general idea about drugs, definition given by the WHO. Then we discuss sources of the drugs, different sources of the drugs, that is it's obtained from chemical synthesis, it's obtained from higher flowering plant, then microorganism, then minerals and animal, etc. Then we discuss requirement of an ideal drugs. Today we are going to learn classification of the drugs on the basis of therapeutic action, on the basis of therapeutic action. Drugs are classified into four types. First one, functional or pharmacodynamic agent. Second, chemotherapeutic agent. Third, vitamins. 4. Hormones. Then nomenclature of the drugs, that is chemical name, generic name and trade name. Let's see classification of the drugs. Drugs are classified on the basis of therapeutic action. Functional or pharmacodynamic agent. Second, chemotherapeutic agent. Third, vitamins. And fourth, hormones. First, let's see one by one functional or pharmacodynamic agent. These are drugs which act on various physiological function of the body. These are drugs act on various physiological function of the body are called as pharmacodynamic agent. They are further classified as follow. First, non-selective CNS, depressant, that is hypnotic or sedative. Second, selective modifier of CNS, that is tranquilizer drugs. Third, CNS stimulant. Then histamine and antihistaminic agent, then local anesthetic, up to diuretic. Here we need to know name only. Then second, chemotherapeutic agent. Chemotherapeutic agent, the treatment of infectious diseases by using a chemical agent is called as chemotherapy. Is called as chemotherapy. I am repeating, the treatment of infectious diseases by using a chemical agent. By using a chemical agent is called as chemotherapy, and the substance employed is referred to a chemotherapeutic agent. They are further classified as follows: organometallic compound, antihelmintic, anti-malarial, anti-tuberculosis, anti-neoplastic drugs, etc., etc., etc. Then third type, that is vitamins. These are organic compound. Vitamins are organic compound which are required by organism in small quantity for a normal health and growth. Vitamins are organic compound which are required by organism in small quantity for their normal health and growth. They are classified into three types: water soluble vitamin, fat soluble vitamin, insoluble in both, that is insoluble in water and insoluble in fat. Water soluble vitamin example B1 to B12. Fat soluble vitamin for example vitamin A, D, E and K. Then insoluble in both, that is insoluble in water and insoluble in fat, example biotin. Next, fourth type, that is hormones. They are regulatory substances secreted by the endocrine gland, are directly poured into the bloodstream. They are required in very small concentration for the controlling and regulating metabolism and growth of an individual or of an organism or human being, etc. They are classified in as follows: thyroid hormones, pituitary hormones, pancreatic hormones, sex hormones, adrenal cortex hormones, etc. It is a classification based on therapeutic action. They are classified as four types: functional or pharmacodynamic agent, chemotherapeutic agent, vitamins and hormones. Next, nomenclature of the drugs. Nomenclature of the drugs: chemical name, generic name and trade name. Let's see one by one. Chemical name. The chemical name is refer to the exact chemical structure of the drug. It's referred to the exact chemical structure of the drugs. For example, chemical name of the aspirin is acetyl salicylic acid. Chemical name of the paracetamol is N-acetyl P-aminophenol. Chemical name is lengthy name, so it is difficult to use in everyday life, but it is important for a chemist. Next, generic name. Generic name is known as simplified chemical name of the drugs. Generic name is known as simplified chemical name of the drugs. Means acetyl salicylic acid. It is lengthy name, simply chemical name of the drugs. Example aspirin. Next, trade name. Trade name is given by the manufacturer, also known as commercial name. Example aspirin, or one drugs having different name given by different companies or different manufacturer. Example aspirin having another name, dispirin, anaprin, ascard, etc.